Welcome back, guys. It is December 28th, 2022. It's about 3 p.m. Heading out to my stand again here. I'm gonna try to get it done tonight. We are now into the New York State holiday hunt, muzzleloader season. The additional late season that they added a couple years ago. And gonna try to get it done tonight. So we had that huge winter storm, guys, and that really threw things off. So I haven't hunted in about a week now. I did get out a few times before that and kind of messed up my hunts a little bit. I spooked some does the one day I was going in, and saw some deer on another day, just couldn't get a shot. So hoping to get it done tonight. Gonna sneak in the woods here. Thank God that winter storms passed us and didn't last longer than it did. Just absolutely horrible conditions, and had a tree fall in my truck. Luckily that's all that we had to deal with. So anyways, I'm gonna get in the woods, guys. Got the muzzleloader all ready, so hopefully we can get it done tonight. Let's see what we can do. This will be my body camera. Wasn't really meant to be that way, but it looks good the way I got it clipped on here. So get the other GoPro on the Traditions muzzleloader all ready to go. See if we can get something tonight here. Oh, the deer tracks are everywhere back here. Everywhere. Look at this. Just crisscrossing all over. They gotta be back here bedded down. Alright guys, there's my stand. And there's some new fresh damage to the tree. This was not down before. Wow. It really changed things back here by my stand. Crazy. shot at a doe. I'm not sure if I got her. It was probably 40 yards or so, and I used the scope all the way on 9 power, so had a real good sight picture, and I took my time with it, but she took off running, so I'm really not sure if I even got her or not, but got a little bit longer a shooting light here, so I'm gonna sit down and see what happens, but give her some time, and I'll get down and see if I even hit her or not. I should be able to see if I missed her though. Alright guys, I am down. I'm gonna go walk over to where I saw this deer standing, and it should be pretty easy with all this snow to see if I actually hit this thing or not. So probably a 40-yard shot or so, and I know that because I've shot all the other deer over here, the ones with the crossbow and then the ones with the rifle also right in the same spot here. So she was standing right over top of this log here, and looks like she was right about here. Yep. Well, right away I can see some hair, so I definitely grazed her somewhere. Yeah, a bunch of hair here, and I do not see the actual bullet. I figured if I missed, I'd see the bullet in the snow. Alright. Well, she turned and went this way, so I guess we're going to be tracking her here. Let's see. Yeah, I do not see where the bullet went through, if it did. Alright. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to try to track her here. Got a real good trail right here. Right away I'm not seeing any blood at all, so if I missed her, I'd rather it be a good clean miss. A little bit more hair, but no blood at all. I might have just zinged her. Just zinged her probably. She's bounding right here. She'd be bleeding by now, I would believe. And she linked up with 2 other ones, probably her fawns. She was the big doe. Right there. Tracks over here and tracks over here, so she must have been down this hill. These are her tracks here. Lots of mud. Lots of mud, but no blood whatsoever. Yeah, she's taking huge bounding leaps here. I'm going to track her for just a little bit further just to make sure, guys, and just to be responsible and make sure I didn't actually hit her. Sometimes it takes a little bit to bleed, but the way she ran away, I gotta believe that she was just nicked a little bit. And I didn't get her. I must be off a little bit with my scope, maybe, I don't know. I have to shoot this thing again and check and see just to make sure, but absolutely no blood at all. So, alright guys, that's gonna be it for now. Alright, as soon as I said that and shut the camera off, of course, I got blood all over the place. Like spraying blood here, guys. I definitely got her. That goes to show you right there that you don't stop checking right away. Make sure you check for your deer if you shoot at one, and be responsible. She's spraying blood all over the place. Look at this. So it must have somehow loosened up where she started bleeding a lot, because now she's spraying blood all over the place. So I'm not sure where the shot was, because like I said, I watched the video and I just can't even see it. So the white smoke just covers it right up. So she's bleeding all over. Look at that. blood is on this trail, guys. It's spraying out of her. Wow, look at that. Whew. Get a helicopter coming over. Yeah. Wow. That is some blood right there. Definitely some blood. Wow. Hopefully she's done just up around the corner here. I see her, guys. I see her. I got her. She's dead. Wow. Didn't think I got her. Look at that blood. Wow. That right there, guys, just proves that you need to check for the deer that you think you might have shot, because I was about to give up on that. In fact, I shut the camera right off thinking I missed her. She's a dead deer. Look at that blood. That is blood everywhere. Wow. Look at that. Big doe. Big old doe. Awesome. Well, got it done. Muzzleloading season, holiday season, December 28th. Awesome. Nice big doe. All right, guys, there it is. I'm happy. One more for the year. Nice big doe. I got to check and see where I actually hit her, because she was kind of quartering towards me when I took the shot, but I know she was right on my crosshairs, and I definitely took a nice steady shot on her. So nice big doe. Probably the last deer of the year. I don't know if I want to shoot any more of this. So real nice big doe. So I am very happy. The Traditions BuckStalker did the job. 50 cal. So I'm gonna work on getting her out of here. All right, guys. I don't know how good you guys can even see me right now, but I'm hot and sweaty, and I just dragged this deer really far out of the woods because that storm, I realized, knocked down so many trees that I couldn't even get my ATV in the woods on the trails that I usually drive in on. So I got her out, and I'm gonna show you guys the shot here. She was kind of straight at me here, and I hit her right up in the front in the neck area. So that's exactly where I aimed, and she's bleeding right out. It's just crazy how much blood came out of this deer. And again, I almost stopped tracking her simply because I found some hair and I thought I just maybe zinged her. I don't know. It's hard with the smoke after the muzzleloader shot. So yeah, I tracked her a little ways further just to make sure, and she was even bounding and everything, and then all of a sudden there the blood was. So just crazy, guys, just crazy that this deer kept going after that shot and didn't stumble or lay down at all. It just took off. So always be responsible and always check real good, make sure you did actually hit the deer. So anyway, I'm gonna get this deer gutted, get it cleaned up, and get it out of here. But thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna be on to fishing videos very soon. It's going to be ice fishing videos more than anything coming up. We're going to try to get to the tributaries and do some steelhead fishing, except they're frozen over right now from the blizzard that we had. So it's going to be a little bit before we can even attempt that. So all right, guys, till the next video, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. See you on the next one.